Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, I think this is turning into a WXYXZ pattern. I think we're in a ABC of Z right now. A wave Z should play out in three waves, so at some point we are likely going to make a pretty decent pullback for the wave B, and then eventually back up for the wave C because we should play out in three waves, just like this was three waves, and this was three waves, and this right here is three waves. Every single one of these moves is a three-way pattern, which is why I think it's a WXYXZ pattern. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. There's no break of structure. There's no significant lower high telling us that this is the end of a wave A yet. Once we get one of those, then we'll know that we're in a pullback, and a pullback would likely go to 38 to 78% of the whole move up. So, today is Monday. I mean, today does seem like a likely day where we could possibly start an overlapping corrective pattern for like a wave B, going down to one of these fib levels. But if we assume that's what's going to happen, then probably what will really happen is it'll just keep on going up. So as long as it keeps making higher highs, higher lows, I would definitely still recommend longs. Once it breaks that higher high, higher low series, then we'll likely know that we're in the wave B of wave Z. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.